What up, guys? I don't know what we are hearing now. Welcome back to my channel, Darius Jones. Um, you guys might have seen on YouTube that I posted these fishes, and somehow just hearing some boom, boom noise. I don't know why it's not going again. I don't know why.
It's going like this. Boom, boom,
It's going like that. It's going like boom, boom. I don't know why. Just heard it. Stop for no reason. We will we will know, like, we'll see what's going on. I think the noise was coming from over there. We'll see what's going on. Like, we'll see who did it or what did it. It could be an animal. It could be a person. I don't know.
It could be like a bull fighting with an next bull.
Yeah, and it could be a bull, like a bull and a cow fighting, and a bull hit a house, or cow hit a house. We don't know yet. We have to make sure, and we have to look for that.
Yeah, we have to make sure because we don't know what it is, and we have to make sure before it comes head this way and hit this house.
Yeah. So we don't know. We just hear some dump noise, and we might not know what in the world it is. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So we don't know what it is. I don't know. What it is. Michael doesn't know what it is. My parents don't know. It's just like something hitting something. So, peace.